Hey, you two, welcome back, guys. So today we're gonna go over the DJI OSMO Pocket. There are a lot of viewers having a problem with the connection with this adapter right here. Okay, that keep on making a loose connection. So I got a solution will solve the problem. I got this Kamika right here. This is the professional audio equipment. As you can see, it holds your smartphone and then a holder for your DJI Osmo Pocket. If you don't have this kit, the holder kit, once you move it and you can lose a connection, this is a poor. This is a very poorly design from DJI. They should do something about this because once you jerk it, it tends to lose connection instantly or so often. Okay. And second thing is people are experiencing a problem with this DJI. I'm gonna put a test for you guys real quick. You're gonna see upper left hand side. Once I press record, and then after a few seconds, it's gonna automatically kick you off. So with the stop recording, you might want to look at over there. And then the third thing is about once you connect your phone to the DJI to your smartphone, it's charging your smartphone, as you can see right there. It says the SD card writing speed is slow, so it automatically kick you off. So if that's the problem, most likely your micro SD card it is writing in a very slow speed. This one's a SanDisk micro SD 64 gigabyte Ultra. It is not Ultra Plus, but it is Ultra. It should be compatible with this, but somehow it gives me this error. So another thing is it could be the memory card that you bought on eBay, Amazon, or some other unreliable retail store that is selling a fake counterfeit memory card that will cause this problem as well. So I got a brand new Ultra Plus right here. This one is a 64 gigabyte. It says speed up to 130 megabyte per second. But with the DJI on their website, it only needs 30 megabit per second and above. So I'm not sure what's the problem. So this is from the local retail store. So I know this is not fake or copy or replica memory card. So I'm going to do a test right now, and hopefully it's going to solve this problem. I know it's going to solve this problem because this is an original retail package. I was looking at the DJI website. They are selling the Extreme Plus one. So I'm not sure if this doesn't work. I might go back there and exchange for the Extreme Plus. So let's go ahead and test this out. So I gotta take this out of my smartphone. If you want, I can show you the bracket real quick. This is the holding mounting bracket for your smartphone. And then this is the professional audio mic. It comes with this 3.5 millimeter jack. Okay, make sure you get the one with the two of the black plastic ring on there, or else it's not going to be compatible with the DJI. I purchased an adapter on eBay. It shows that it's in transit, so hopefully I receive it soon because I cannot plug this one in right now. I purchased a cheap one, but unfortunately the cheap one doesn't work. And I also used the one that I purchased for the Note 10 Plus, the original adapter that connected the USB Type-C to female 3.5 millimeter jack, and it did not work either. So hopefully that one's gonna work. So yeah, sometimes it still show a device disconnected. So I'm not sure if I need to push in further, or see it says check your charger connections. So unfortunately, this connector is pretty bad. So there's another alternative way is to use your original cable and then connect into here. So I might purchase like a smaller, shorter cable in case this adapter keep on giving me this connection problem. But if you use this, and then you cannot connect this microphone in there. So anyway, I'm gonna turn it off right now, and then I'm gonna dismount it. I gotta loosen this nut right here, and I'm gonna remove it. Yeah, it's this thing gets hot. It's like charging my phone, so that's another flaws. And I'm gonna remove this micro SD card right here. So this is kind of weird design because normally the Go contact is facing the unit, but this one's facing the upward. So okay. So as you can see, this is SanDisk Ultra 64 gigabyte. So this is the original one. I'm not sure if that's a fake one. I got it from eBay, but it has been working until now. So oh my god. Oh my goodness, seal's so tight. I guess they don't want anybody to steal it at their retail store. Anyway, I'm gonna use a scissor and cut it out then. In case you guys want to read the spec real quick. So with the 16 megapixel, it's go up to 4,000 pictures, videos up to 80 minutes with the 1920 by 1080p at 30 frames per second. And then if you record on 4K, it's going to give you less than that. So this one is made in Malaysia, not China, Taiwan, or anywhere else, or Korea. So be sure you make a note of that, because you don't want to buy the fake one. Oh my god. This is the hardest package I ever opened. Normally comes out right away. So it comes with this case. There's your in case you don't want to legit check it. It should look like this. And then the adapter. I'm gonna flip it on the other side. It says made in Malaysia, but it's so small. So the adapter is made in China, okay? And it's 2019, October 17. I guess that's a manufactured day or something. So, and then this case is more like a frosted clear. Let's go and then insert this in. Be sure the goal is facing the top. And I probably need to format it. So I gotta connect the camera. Oh, I turn it off. She's charging my phone. All right, I'm gonna test out the video and then let me just press record real quick. Testing 1, 2, 3. So it shows 1 hour and then 24 minutes. There's a microphone. That is the timer. I mean the counter. 13 second, 14 second. I have problem with the other one is it automatically stops at AV 18 to 21 second or so. And hopefully that's not gonna be the issue here. So yeah, if you guys are having bad experience with the DJI, keep on stopping recording by itself. Mainly that's your problem. The micro SD card is either is too slow at the right speed, or your memory card is a fake copy or replica that's not compatible with the DJI. This Kamika kit or the holder, it's pretty good. So I can hold this. I can hold this while I'm doing like a selfie or filming at the public. And then I could also use this as a tripod. So I'm gonna test this out because this one has auto tracking, so which is nice. So there you go. That will solve your problem. If you guys are having problem with the DJI keep on stopping, this will solve your problem because of your memory card. So don't buy on eBay or Amazon or anywhere else. Most likely those stores online, they are selling fake because it's cheaper and you think it's a good deal, but it is not. I purchased this one at $17.99 plus tax, so it's about 19 something, almost $20. But it is worth it. You don't lose your file. It doesn't give you problem. So this is the one that is bad. It says made in Taiwan. So I finally fixed this problem because I have the plastic that I didn't cut it off for my phone, and it was blocking or something. And then now it's working fine. See, when I shake it, there's no loose connection right now. Okay. Even I could do it upside down, no problem. So yeah, this thing works very nicely. The Kamika. I will include a link that's going to show you within the description so you can check them out. It's good for iPhones and then Android phones out there. That's a plastic protector flap that I cut it off. So anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Hopefully this will help solve your problem and your friends or family or whoever owns a DJI that you can share this with them. Thank you for watching and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.